Hey everyone, and welcome to Boston Auto Blog. I want to do a very quick in-car vlog today. I want to discuss some things and talk about March and where I'm going in the future. I hope you guys have enjoyed the content as of late. Back in January, I wasn't sure how car reviews, car event videos, and anything else was going to work all together on the channel. So far, I'd say it's worked well, and I can't wait for the car season to begin. Actually, it feels like as if car season has already begun. I mean, when you have the Koenigsegg event, the cruise, car event videos, the weather's like 70 degrees out, even like right now it's in the 60s. It's been amazing. It feels as though the car season never ended. In my downtime, what I've been doing is that I've been going out to dealerships and doing test drives. So I haven't really done any videos on the reviews, but I have test driven the cars to understand how the cars handle and how they drive to give a more accurate review. So recently I test drove an Audi S5, mostly because when we were on the cruise Saturday night, we were with an Audi S5 and this thing just sounded absolutely amazing. So I had to go and test drive one, see what it's like, and if I could actually see myself owning one, or at least driving one on a cruise. Now it's safe to say that it's for the best that I'm not a serious buyer right now, because I'm at the point where I think I'd buy anything that I get the next review on, or get behind the wheel of, because I did really enjoy the Audi S5, but I think a lot of it has to do with, and you guys have probably seen through my taste in cars, that it's heavy. I like heavy cars. I like being very planted to the road. I really enjoy that. Now on the flip side is that with heavy cars, you won't have as fast of acceleration. I mean, the Audi S5, now I don't know if there's any Audi S5 owners watching this video, but from what I noticed, and I'd like to know what you guys think, or at least know being owners of one, is that I felt as though that the car was slow from first to third gear, and then once I got to third gear, the car just absolutely flew. And this is one of the reasons why I want to do point of view videos and test driving cars in my reviews, to give you guys a more accurate description on how the car handles and drives. So at least from my personal opinion, I enjoyed driving the Audi S5 for the 10 minutes that I had went on that test drive. My only issue was just that it was kind of slow from first to third gear, and then once you hit 60 miles an hour, the thing just wanted to absolutely fly. Now when it comes to March, I feel as though it's going to be a very interesting month, because part of me thinks that there will be a blizzard or two before the winter ends. I just can't see 50 and 60 degree weather being the norm for this month, or even 40 degree weather. I still feel as though there will be a major setback, especially where like right now everyone's really itching to have a car event or a car meet, and this pop-up meets every single weekend now, and it almost feels like every single day at night. So I really feel as though that I don't want to get too far ahead of myself, because I'm kind of getting into like the car season mode where I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to do this car review, coming up with different ideas, and I have to realize that it's still March. However, with that being said, I am planning and thinking ahead as to where I want to be in April, because what I do want to add in, and I've talked about this last year, I want to do features. I want to do features of cars in the local car community, and I think that'll be a great addition to the content that I'm posting. In less than 4 weeks, I'll be on my way to New York. Really can't wait for that. I'm buying a laptop, so I'll be able to post the videos, maybe a couple of vlogs while I'm in New York, and I hope you guys enjoy that content. I'm looking forward to making it, and it'll be a new, interesting experience. I'm really excited to go to New York, because I think outside of the Boston Globe and Boston Herald, at least for the press days, I'll be the only local person covering this event through video. I also want to say huge thank you to all you guys for your support and subscribing to this channel. I can't believe how far it's grown. We're closing in on 1,000 subscribers. The growth has just been absolutely amazing. Through that growth, I've realized that I had to be a lot more thoughtful into how I schedule things out. I have a lot of cars I want to review. There's, the Buick Regal Sportback. I want to review that. But one thing that I've been noticing is that, especially with the BMW X2 review, is that cars that haven't really been reviewed much in the United States. And there's a few cars that I'm aware of that have not had many people from the United States check them out. So I want to get that done first. I'm also looking at ways to improve the car reviews and make them better, not just in terms of like test driving them, but also having a different pace to them. I think that there's a lot of reviewers out there that do the exact same thing, and yes, I've been influenced by other YouTubers, but I think there's a better way to create these reviews and make them much more informative. Now this is all stuff that can be worked on in the upcoming weeks. I'm not going to use March as a month where I'm just going to like springboard and start posting every single day. I think that's going to be more something along the lines of like maybe May or June, where I think that's very possible with, you know, the car event videos, maybe cruises, vlogs, and reviews, where I can actually start posting maybe 4 or 5 times a week. Now, I don't know, maybe some weeks are better than others, especially if it rains out, but, you know, that's something that I'm always looking forward to as well, and I don't want to, like, get into that zone already, because even though March has been very nice in terms of weather, I don't want to, like, rush into this and then, you know, have a major step back when it, you know, snows and there's a 2-foot blizzard that sets everything back at least a week and a half. Overall, I'm really excited for what the future holds. It's going to be a great car season. I mean, just looking at how many events there's already been so far this year, and we're not even in the car season yet. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick update vlog. So far, it has been a great year. I can't believe I'm saying that, it's only March, but you know, the Koenigsegg, that was a great start to this season, and I think with the amount of events we've had, the cruises, it's just going to be an incredible year, and I hope you guys are excited to join me on this journey. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time.